congratulations on being nominated as a National Blue Ribbon School. Congratulations.
We're excited to announce that Sam Houston Elementary has been nominated as a National Blue Ribbon School. So it's just very, very exciting for us because we know that this school's been doing an excellent job for many, many years, and we have tremendous leadership, great teachers, great students. So it's a tremendous honor to be recognized.
I think it's important for parents to know that we are a Blue Ribbon nominee school because they need to know that when they bring their kids to school each and every day, they are entrusting us with their beautiful, precious children, and there's no need to worry at any moment in time because we know what's best for kids, and we know that we will work tirelessly to ensure that each kid is successful. This community is proud of this school, and you see it in the way that they take care of our building, that they watch for our kids, even if it's not their own kid, that they help our teachers, that they work for our teachers, that they come and volunteer each and every day even though they don't have to. This is a family. Sam Houston is a family.